Hello students, this is your English lesson. Students, today we are going to read a poem Sky, Sea, Shore by James Reeves from Oxford Reading Circle 6. So, we start our lesson. Students, in this poem, the poet James Reeves describes different environments on sky, sea, and shore. He tells us about the natural phenomenon that in different environment we can see different creatures of nature who are enjoying in their respective grounds. In the beginning of the poem, the stars shine on the frosty sky. In open areas, streams move or act slowly. On the seashore, shells shine brightly and washed by the tides. The birds, the seagulls, take a circle and move smoothly over the harbor. In the third stanza, the poet asks questions or sets questions in front of reader that on the sea harbor we see prancing steed, swallow, snake and swan enjoying nature. How many more creatures can we see in sky, sea and shore? Now read the poem together. Sky, sea, shore, stars in a frosty sky, crackle and blaze, streams in the lowland meadows, linger and laze, shells on the seashore gleam, washed by the tide, seagulls over the harbor, circle and glide, blue smoke and prancing steed, swallow and snake and swan, how many more curving, glistening things in sky, sea, shore. Now come to the exercises. Questions 1. Which details given at the beginning of the poem tell us about the time of day and the weather? Answer. The first lines of the poem. Stars in a frosty sky tells us that it is night time as the stars are out and the weather is cold. 2. What makes the shells gleam? Answer. The shells gleam in the starlight because they have been freshly washed by the tide. 3. Blue smoke and prancing steed suggest that humans were living by the sea. What are some of the problems caused by humans to the sea and marine life? Answer. When humans build houses near the sea, they clear away natural habitats of many plants and animals. Human activities produce waste matter which may be dumped into the sea, which pollutes the water and endangers marine life. Humans also produce smoke by burning fuel, which pollutes the air near the sea. 4. Do you think all the things beginning with S on the sea add to its beauty and serenity? Give reasons for your answer. Answer. Most of the things beginning with the letter S near the sea, such as sky, stars, the seagulls, shells, streams, steed, and shallow, add to its beauty. They are naturally beautiful and give pleasure to the people who visit the seashore. Some things like snake and smoke are harmful and do not add to the beauty of the sea. B. Reference to context. Read these lines from the poem and then answer the questions. Streams in the lowland meadows linger and laze. A. What is the poet looking at before this? Answer. Before this, the poet was looking at the stars in the sky. B. Which word has the poet used previously to rhyme with laze? Answer. Blaze. C. In what way might streams be said to linger and laze? How do these words describe the movement and pace of the water? Answer. The words linger and laze are used to describe the movement and pace of the stream. It describes the slow speed of the water and the winding path the stream takes in flatlands such as meadows. C. Poetry. 1. Count the number of syllables, beats in each line. How many are there in each? Answer. 6, 4, 7, 4, 6, 4, 7, 4, 6, 6, 4, 4. 2. Which lines rhyme? Note down the rhyming pairs. Answer. Crackle and blaze, linger and laze, washed by the tide, circle and glide. How many more in sky, sea, shore? 3. Match these rhyming pairs. Answer. Joy, destroy, sa, by, all, small, breast, nest, does, goes. D. Words and meaning. 1. Find 3 words from the poem that can be used as both nouns and verbs. Discuss the different meanings. Stream. A stream is a narrow flowing body of water. To stream is for liquid to rush in a certain direction. Harbor. A harbor is a portion of shoreline where ships can anchor. To harbor something is to hold on to or hide it for a period of time. Circle. A circle is a round figure that is constructed from a fixed central point. To circle an object is to move around it. More words can be crackle, blaze, tide. 2. Find synonyms for the following. A. Shine, shining. Glistening, gleam. B. Cold, frosty. C. Turn and turning, circle, curving. Thanks for listening. For new videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you like my videos, please share and like.